puppy is back again! Hi there, little guy. Who are you waiting for? He's still waiting. Max? You waited here all day? That puppy has been here every day for weeks. Every day? He thought it was someone. You really are waiting for someone. What's this? Oh, what a sweet photo! That puppy looks just like you.
Wait a minute. I know that bus stop. Years ago, a boy used to wait there every day with his puppy.
What happened to him? Come here, buddy. That's a good boy. Yup. I'll come back for you, I promise. I promise. So the puppy kept waiting?
Every day.
Wait, there's something written here. It says, Bus Stop 7, every Friday.
Today's Friday.
Maybe someone is coming.
I think that's it, Max. It's coming.
Max!
Noah?
Max! Woof, woof. I missed you so much, boy! I came back for you. He never stopped waiting.
When we moved away, my family searched everywhere. We never found him, but I promised I'd come back one day.
Some promises take time.
But this one was worth waiting for.
What would you do if you saw a puppy waiting alone every day? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next adventure.